Okay, so there is some crazy drama in the Atlanta legal world right now. I just had to get on and share. So earlier this week, the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, which is the federal appellate court that sits over the states of Georgia, Florida, and Alabama, issued a private reprimand and report involving a federal district court judge who was caught, get this, having sex with a uniformed law enforcement officer in her chambers while her law clerks and other staff members could hear them. The report notes that early on in the investigation, the judge denied the allegations, but ultimately admitted them, leading to this private censure. Although the report didn't identify the judge by name, at least not publicly, news outlets are now reporting that the judge was sitting federal district court judge Eleanor Ross here in Atlanta. Judge Ross was appointed by President Obama in 2014, and before that was a state court judge and a prosecutor. The law enforcement officer who she allegedly had sex with in her chambers was identified as a current deputy chief for the APD, the Atlanta Police Department. Apparently, he was in full APD regalia during the sexual encounter. Now, Judge Ross recently sat over the high-profile criminal case against reality stars Savannah and Todd Chrisley, who were convicted and sentenced for fraud, but then ultimately pardoned by President Trump. Todd Chrisley didn't waste any time chiming in on this newest controversy involving Judge Ross, criticizing her and saying that, quote, karma is a bitch, end quote. It doesn't appear that Judge Ross will face any additional consequences for her misconduct, at least no official ones. Follow me for more updates on this and other breaking legal news.